In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer data from broken Android to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a broken Android device and you would like to restore your data, there are some ways in which you will be able to achieve this, even if you don't have access to the Android device. However, it is going to depend on how much you set up before the Android device broke down. So one of the most convenient ways is going to be by connecting it to a PC or laptop. Now, as you might be aware, when you first connect an Android device to a PC or laptop using a USB cable, there will be a prompt asking you if you want to allow that PC or that laptop, that device, to access the data on the Android device. If you have previously gave it full permissions to access the data, then once you connect it in the future, you won't have to go through the process again. But if you have never connected it to another PC or laptop and you never gave it allowed permissions, then sadly you won't be able to do so. Of course, if you can still sort of use the touchscreen, then try to tap the allow prompt, but if your screen is severely cracked, severely broken, and you can't access it, then there isn't much that you can do to use this option. But if it is available for you and you previously connected your phone, then just connect it to a PC. It is going to be available here, and you can access all of the folders, including your photos, documents, videos, and so on. Besides this, like I said, it's all going to depend on how severe the Android phone is broken. Another option would be to go into Google Drive or Google Photos. Sometimes backups will be made automatically for you, so you can access it on a computer or on the new device that you have to replace your old Android phone and see if it is still available when you go inside of Google Drive or Google Photos. If it isn't and you never did a backup beforehand, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. You will most likely have to take it to a professional to see if any data can be salvaged, depending on how damaged it is, because if it isn't available for you to connect into a computer and there's no backup, it's really hard to do it yourself. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from broken Android to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.